to help yourselves. There are still a lot of sweets over there. So Ed, tell us all about your class and what you did.
I will.
Okay.
The icon. I want to say it's very nice that people bring cookies. What else you got there? Cookies. Fruit bars. But it wouldn't be a bad idea if you brought like prime rib sandwiches, ham and cheese sandwiches, chicken wings. Just a thought. Oh, this class, we've been together for quite a while. Long enough for me to show them something and then for them to tell me I'm doing it wrong. So that's when you know you've been together for a long time. And all kidding aside, what you're going to see here, you're going to learn a lot of chords. But then you're going to learn that there's different ways of making chords. You know, there's a D chord made this way, and there's a D chord made this way. It's a different sound, different voicing. A lot of songwriters use these chords. Paul Simon, Bob Dylan, James Taylor. And what we're going to do today is a song, an album came out in 1966, Judy Collins. It's called In My Life. If you get a chance and you want to hear some great music and learn some stuff, pick up that album, In My Life by Judy Collins. She debuts a lot of great songwriters for the very first time. She had a Leonard Cohen song on that album, Suzanne, and she had this song by an unknown writer at the time by the name of Randy Newman. And it's a beautiful song called I Think It's Gonna Rain Today. 1, 2, 3, go.
And I think it's gonna rain.